Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is your chef from guruscooking.in with
काले चने की चाट. This delicious healthy lip smacking chaat. Come, let's learn how to make this at home. We'll grab a cup of kala chana or black gram. This is how it looks. I've already soaked this in enough water for 8 hours. And it has bloated now to be a little larger in size than before. So if you compare the previous to the current, this is the difference. Friends, the water in which this was soaked is dirty. I'm going to discard and throw the water away. And this kala chana is now going to be pressure cooked for 10 whistles to make it tender and soft. So add the chana followed by 2 glasses of water, and for seasoning we'll add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Cover this pressure cooker with its lid, add it to the gas stove and at a medium flame while you cook. Wait for 10 whistles. After 10 whistles, I'm opening the lid and this is how it looks. This water, my friends, is pretty delicious and has a lot of nutrients of the kala chana in it. So do not throw or discard this water. If you have diabetes patients or heart patients at home, give it to them. They will thank you for it. But in this recipe, I'm not going to use this water. We'll concentrate only on the chana and other delicious ingredients. So what is the what is the test of the chana being cooked well? Hold it in between your fingers and thumb and squeeze it. If it squashes this way, it is cooked thoroughly. Good. Come, let's grab a wide pan and cooking at a medium flame, add 3 tablespoons of oil to it. As the oil gets warm, 1/4 teaspoon of jeera. As the jeera splutters, add a pinch of hing, followed by finely chopped ginger and green chilies. Amazing. Saute this for a few seconds and then you will add 2 finely chopped tomatoes to this. Juicy, delicious, sour tomatoes. Amazing. Remember friends, cook at a low flame, otherwise you will burn your ingredients. The best way to cook tomatoes is by covering them with a lid. So let's cover them and cook them. Let them saute. After a minute or 2, just to check in case the tomatoes have not stuck to the bottom of the pan, just use your ladle to check once. Sounds to be good. So I'm going to cover them again and let them cook for a minute. Now friends, we don't have to cook tomatoes completely in this recipe. When they are 75% done, we are happy with it. So now my tomatoes look done. It's time for us to add some ingredients, some spices to them. Remember, we are cooking at a low flame right now. 1/4 teaspoon of salt and sprinkle freshly crushed black salt. Spices like a 1/4 teaspoon of dhania powder, garam masala, 1 teaspoon of chaat masala, a 1/4 teaspoon of red chili flakes, and saute this. If you find that your ingredients are too dry or sticking to the bottom of the pan, don't you worry, because now when you add the kala chana, it contains a little bit of amount of liquid to it. This will help in deglazing your pan, which means the ingredients, in case if they have stuck to the bottom of the pan, will start leaving and releasing themselves and adding them to the wonderful delicious flavor of this chana. We'll now add a finely chopped onion and fresh coriander leaves which have been chopped well, and finally we'll toss it well, because remember friends, this chana has been already cooked in pressure cooker. It's already soft and delicious. You don't have to cook it for a long time. This is not a sabzi or a gravy. This is a chaat. A little rawness of the vegetables in this will add on to that amazing distinctive flavors, and also it's healthy this way. Sprinkle a little bit of lemon juice and enjoy this just as it is, warm, or if you like it cold, depends on you. Thank you so much for watching. This is my new channel, Guru Musafir. Please do subscribe and watch my videos on them. Thank you again.